So, hi friends, I'm Muffasal from Sri Lanka, but he's having a lot of experience from Gulf. And today he achieved the license, Class 5 experience license, and he is very emotional and happy actually. So, we will ask Muffasal experience.
First of all, after God, my whole thanks goes to Matan. I had a couple of class. I contacted Matan. He was busy. I insisted on him that he has to give me an assessment. He was busy and many things. After 3 days, he accepted that he's going to give me training. So I think we had a training, maybe 3 or 5, 6 classes. Yeah, as he said, yes, I have experience, Middle East experience, more than 15 years. But only thing he kept on saying from the introduction day itself, just blindly follow me blindly, then you will do the best. So from the first day itself, I was just following him. I was controlling my mind. I didn't argue. I didn't say anything. Even in the before the test, he was just reminding me what you have to do. Just follow the techniques that he taught me. I noted down all the techniques. Even at home, I was taking notes.
All the exercises.
And I showed him the notes. I showed him yesterday on WhatsApp. Is it correct? He said fine. Cool down. Everything is perfect. We did 2 mock tests today this morning before the test. Again, there was small minor correction. He corrected. Then I took the test. I just did whatever he said. I just did everything nicely. But he gave me some points for minor mistake, which I didn't even think about that mistake. I was telling Matan that, the tire was rotating a bit. I was pressing the accelerator a little bit hard and I was a little bit slow, something like that. Very minor comment, she said. Anyway, she passed it. So, but no other major mistakes. Everything was perfect. That's what she said.
Yeah, here what Muffasal wanted trying to say is that even though there is a snow, the road, like it's fully molded with the snow with the black ice. So even though it's molded with the black ice, as an experienced Class 5 driver license, how you are managing your driving on the road. Okay, how many years of total experience, Muffasal, you have in driving?
I have actually, Matan, as I told you, I have more than 18 years experience in Middle East. So I had I had driven many cars in Middle East when I was working. So I was really confident when I was doing. But only after I joined Matan told me a half an hour introduction he gave me. There is, don't think about your previous driving. You have to follow some techniques because you are in a new country, new place. So please just follow what I am saying. This is what he kept on repeating me every day, every 1 hour. Just follow what I'm saying. I followed everything as he said. Matan used to find out many mistakes on me during the driving, which I acceptable. I was speeding in some place, I didn't see the fixing everything. But today, those mistakes are not noted by the examiner today. Something that I never thought of. I didn't even think about that mistake. Like I don't like tire is rotating, little bit skidding, something like that. Anyway, so this is a lesson I have learned again.
How is the training? And just to tell me one word about my training.
Your training is really friendly, as I told you, Matan. Friendly, you are very cool. And the good thing is, the first day itself, you are not teaching everything. You are taking your own time, teaching everything step by step. You are teaching something further in the next day, and the following day something else. I was surprised. I was telling you on the 4th day, Matan, why you didn't tell everything to me at once? So he told me, no, there's a step. One by one, I will judge you and teach you. That's the good thing, or great thing of Matan. Not, I haven't gone to any other instructor, so I can't comment. But this is how Matan was teaching me. So on the 5th or 6th day, I felt myself that I'm perfect or I'm confident in driving. That is how the way he was teaching me.
Overall, how is your test went? Your test
went really. I was very confident when in the middle of the test. Also, I felt myself I didn't make any mistake till now. But however, examiner was making small mistakes when the car stopped in the T junction or stop signal, everything. I was wondering what she's making because I didn't make any mistake. Only after I came to the parking, she told me these are the minor mistakes you made. Like the tire was skidding, I was a little bit slow on the place. I can't remember that. But so I'm happy that I didn't make any major mistake, Matan, and that's because of your teaching.
Thank you so much. Yeah. And what do you want to say to your Sri Lankan people or people from Dubai?
Yeah, that's not only for Sri Lankan people too. I'm for everyone who are coming from Middle East. Please don't think or don't consider that you have enough experience in the Middle East. That is very important thing, and I learned this from Matan. And Matan was also telling me that he has already given training for some other people who came from Middle East like me. So the same thing applies to everybody who are coming from Middle East or anyone who has experience in your country. That here we should not consider our previous experience that we know everything. No, that's not going to work here. So I know very well. I have experienced this from Matan. So let us listen to Matan. Let us listen to what he says, and let us make ourselves comfortable with the driving practice here in this country so that we can pass the test at first attempt itself, like I have done. And I have seen many of his videos. Yes, actually, one thing I forgot to tell, I told Matan many times, he knows that I was just watching video on YouTube when I was in Middle East before I came to Saskatoon. We were watching videos, but Matan's videos impressed me and my family, so I thought of contacting him after coming here. So we tried to search for his number. We could not get. Finally, I got the number from one of the videos. Then I called him immediately. We introduced ourselves. That yes, he made it. And I really love you.
Thank you so much. And congratulations, today you achieved pass from SGI Class 5 driving license, and definitely you will get a good future in Saskatoon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for everyone.